Hello and welcome to the fourth lecture in this series, which is on how to apply for visa. This is the overview of the lecture series and we are at the fourth step of visa application. By now you must have already heard from the universities that you had applied to, and you should be ready to apply for a visa. The learning objectives of this particular lecture includes the steps that you need to complete before you go for a visa interview, the documentation that you need to have prepared when you go for the interview, and we will also look into the questions that you can expect and how you should be answering them when we get to that section. So first, let's start with the steps that you need to complete before the interview. So before the interview, you should once you hear from the university about an admit to the particular program, you would need to put in a request to receive an I-20. This I-20 document is basically a proof which you will take to the visa officer to show that on which basis you can get a visa. Once you have your I-20 in hand, you will also need to complete the DS-160 form. This is the visa application form for students, which you can find on their website. You need to also pay a CVS fee. This is for students. You can go on this link and then click pay I-901 fee. Once you pay this fee, a service receipt is created, and you need to carry this receipt with you before you go to interview. This is a very crucial step, and this needs to be completed before you go for the visa interview. Once you have completed the DS-160 form and submitted it, you will be then allowed to go ahead and book the visa interview appointment. This visa interview appointment will be in two stages. You may need to go the first day for your biometrics, and then the next day for the visa interview. Once this is booked and you have a date in hand, you can start preparing for the interview. This is how a sample I-20 form would look like, and once you complete the DS-160 and you submit it, you will have a confirmation which will look in this kind of format. Okay. There are a few things which you should remember before you go for a visa interview. The motive of the interview is not to check if you are a good student or if you are eligible to go to the United States as a student, in the form of like, do you have the right kind of degree and those kind of things. Here the motive is more to see what is your intent to enter in the United States. They are basically looking for anything which may suggest to them that you would want to settle in the United States and you won't come back again to India, and that is why they will all the questions that you will see will be more towards understanding how much social ties that you have